Okay, we're live. We're out here 9 July 2025 with a Toshiba RT-S93. And I finished all I'm going to do with it. And it's got a remote. This is the remote right here. And if we hit, if I do this while you can see it, do that. You can do that. You can do that. You can hit pause. Go back to play. Do this and hit stop. And do this. You might be wondering why the cassette deck door is open, but I'm just going to show you that that's play mode, okay? This is stop mode, and this is fast forward mode, and this is rewind mode, and that's pause, that's play, and this is stop. But now, here's the thing. If I were to come over here, and that's be on the ground kind of, sort of, and lay that there. If I close the cassette deck door, that's the release. I can't get it open. So, for some reason, the catch doesn't quite line up correctly. So, let's see. There it goes. I don't dare put this cover on here because then you cannot get access to closing this. It won't open. I don't know what is misaligned in here, but let's see here, wait. It just won't. Oh, what's funny? There it goes. So, I'm selling this without this on here. You can put it on, but you put it on, you can't get the door open, so until you figure out what the mechanism here is not letting us line up correctly, and why that it has a new belt in there for the cap stand to rotate this down here. But as I described earlier in another video I shot the other day, the motor which you can see up here, which goes for this and for the take up and the rewind, doesn't work properly. So again, it will work sometimes, but not all the time. So and I'm playing a CD right now, right there, and just, you know, bang it like that. And the radio works, which is
some couples
this
take
here.
longer, some take less. With 6 months.
Of course, it likes to play everything, so let's see here. Give it some volume. Oh wait, no. I'm still. Why? Okay. That's right. It's on radio. Well, it's on, but okay, I don't know what I did wrong this time. Well, what's that one? Okay, well, I'm having too much fun here playing with this thing. Okay, well, this is radio. That's FM. What happened to the radio? I'm running on batteries. Okay, that could be the issue. That's power.
This report is sponsored by KFC.
$5 Mac.
I'm on.
Let me get to the front.
Okay, blind man describes what it simply.
Y vea cuánto podría ahorrar.
Grand reopening on July 12th and
There's return to the
Doctor's implants.
Call now.
And that's AM. And I did have some AM out here, but I don't know how all this stuff works. Anyway, what happened to my CD player? It's not paused. Oh, it's paused. That's why. Anyway, I'm having way too much fun here. I just wanted to show you that. Let's see. How about I would turn this off? Hit stop on that, right? And hit. This is your tape selector. There's normal, chrome, and metal. And this is supposed to be tape, right? And then it's supposed to be auxiliary, phono, and radio. Okay, and then AM and FM. But I have it on tape, so if I take the remote control, it's in stop mode, so we put it in there. That lights up. And we change it to this one, which is the other direction, so there it goes. But it's not rotating here because this motor doesn't go backwards or forwards, but you can see the motor running, okay? And the capstan is running. Now if I hit stop, there it goes out. If I hit play, the heads come up. If I hit stop, the heads go down. Hit play again, heads go up, heads come down. However, if the door closed and you hit eject, it won't open, so you have to get your little handy dandy pick here and catch the thing. Come on now. There it goes. And of course you can drop this on here. It's got all 4 clips. It just slops on, drops on there. But and this goes on here like this. Whoops. Okay. Anyway, I've had fun. Just wanted to show that to you best I could. Okay. And yeah, so I'm good. Thanks for watching. I got that going on. Let me just show you both around the back side of this while I'm here. I have it plugged in right like that, okay? Keep walking around. So, yeah, that's all I know. So, say bye-bye. Hope you're able to see this. And set this back down the ground and right there. That's all I know. I'm tired of messing with this. I'm headed on to something else. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I just had this sitting on there, so little handheld tripod. Alright, so just wanted to say all that. Alright, thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. I gotta go. There's a button. Wait, stop.